very much 90s.
Miss Michelle.
Yes.
Does this young lady look familiar to you?
Angela?
Used to babysit your son back in the day? This is my mother. And this low down, sorry excuse of a man. Right? And you lucky you my sister, because otherwise it would have been worse. Tell them what you did. Tell them how you raped my mama when she was 15. You took advantage of her. You impregnated her. And then you manipulated her into giving me away.
You have to understand.
You want to walk around this earth like I don't exist? Like you this perfect person, politician, whatever the hell you call yourself. You're a monster. And you gonna apologize to my mama today. Come here, mama. You gonna apologize to her and you gonna do it right now.
Hey, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Let's go, mama.
Whoa.
First of all, I just want to say I am very proud of this girl. I am very proud of this girl. You know, most people would go, yeah, I'm a child of rape and my father did this to my mother, and then this would drive them miserable. But I am so proud of her for standing up for Mama. Okay, I am so proud of her for actually going and facing the one monster that she should fear and going toe to toe with her and actually showing snacks in the thing that he did. Like, I hate how rich people take advantage of our sis bethu or mama bethu or whoever goes to their houses and actually help them. These people leave their families to take care of your own, and you are seeing a rape victim. Snacks, I bukeki too, snacks. And I hope even if it's 15 years ago, even if it's 30 years ago, this person uyayifumana isifubeko, uyayifumana into ayideservayo. And I hope baza ikhona into ezawulandelelelwa with this situation, and if it's an old story, I hope it was followed, because this right here is crazy. This is crazy. This snacks, man, in Enzanar, because this person is not even apologetic. This guy is not apologetic.